Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you the keyboard setting of Infinix Note 40 device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just go anywhere so that the keyboard will be appear. Now, as you see the keyboard appear, all you guys have to do just click on this emoji. Now, these are the settings of the keyboard. So we can change theme of a keyboard from here, right? I am selecting this theme, so the keyboard theme will be changed. We can set the font from here, like we have a lot of fonts here. I am selecting this one. So if I write something, so as you see the font will be now changed. Okay, after that we have clipboard option, text editing, language also. If we want to add any language, like if you want to add Urdu or if you want to add Arabic, we can select the language so that it will be on our keyboard section. Now if I'm talking about, now we have a number row here. If you want to enable this feature, so that in keyboard we have a number row also on the top. We have sound and vibration option here. If you want to disable any sound or vibration, you can go from there. We can use one-handed keyboard also from this feature. We have resize option here. We can change the size of the keyboard from this section. And if I'm talking about AI, font size, symbols, and in settings, we have emoji style here. After that, we have language and input option. So these are the settings for the keyboard in Infinix Note 40 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.